Using eReferrals has really made it much easier for me to access a one-stop shop within my EMR. You're not spending your time physically at a machine, printing up paper, faxing off paperwork, ensuring that the fax has been received, scanning it into the computer. From a time perspective, that's huge in terms of being able to see patients. It's really important that we are able to find a specialist within the area that the patient currently lives. And through eReferral, I can actually visualize where the patient lives and what specialist that I'm looking for is actually available and practicing in that area. So we try to keep patients close to home, and that makes care better for the patient in the long run.